What it do, beautiful babes? What it do? Listen, welcome back in to Sugar Fingers. All of my subscribers, thank y'all so much. We are just a few away from 1,000 if we have not already hit
Subscribe
it.
now.
And listen, to all of you all who are just hanging out and haven't subscribed, please do that now.
Subscribe
Lots of good
now.
stuff going on right here. Listen, I have emailed a few of y'all, and you all have been selected to receive those giveaways that I had regarding the Impress Nails by Kiss. So check your emails. Check your emails. I'm trying to get those out so y'all have them for Christmas, because y'all know your girl be getting busy, like getting busy, and that's why I'm here today, because I got busy on these nails and I finally finished them up, because guess what, I asked you all which ones should I put on, and you all selected the jelly, the fantasy jelly, and these are the ones. Now listen, I just had a little mishap. What happened was, okay, I did not finish letting them completely dry, so I lost one of them when I was running my hands underwater, and I don't know where it went to. It probably went down the drain. So I have two different nails on my ring finger, so mind you, y'all know how it goes. Sorry about that, but this is what they look like, y'all. They're so pretty. But anyway, what you came here for, let me show you how easy it was to apply these. Very simple, very nice. I love them so much. Let's get to today's video. So beautiful babes, let's get started right here. Now what you're looking at is the Kiss Jelly Fantasy Nails. Yes, this is a translucent jelly with high shine finish, and they're ready to wear, and they are durable, flexible, and easy to apply, so they say. Now you have two ways in which you can wear these nails. They actually come with glue, or you can use the mega adhesive tabs they come with. Now you get 28 nails in the box. So you have just the plain gel look nail, then you have the ones with the glitter on them, and then you have some that also have the rhinestones on them. So super cute, and all we do is just follow these instructions to figure out how to do what with these nails. So I have chosen actually not the adhesive tab application, but the glue application. So that is what I'm going to do. So make sure you have cleaned your nails off. You can use polish remover, and I have some acetone here, which I have already taken off some previous nails. So they're fairly clean, but I just want to make sure that I get every inch of it off of my nails. Once you clean your nails off with the polish remover, all you have to do is wash your hands thoroughly with soap and begin selecting the size of the nails you need. So we're going to open the box up, and we're going to find the correct size for each of my nails. Now the nails are sized by number noted underneath the nail. And all I'm doing now is just going to dump them all out here so that I can figure out which ones I'm going to use. Also in the pack, you'll see there's the actual adhesive tabs in each different size. Also, you get a nail buffer or file, and also a wood stick. Once I get through figuring out which ones are going to work for me, I can then kind of create, you know, a little bit of a design. So I'm just looking to see what's available for the nail size that I need. And that's what it looks like up close underneath there. And oddly enough, I really did not see a number on there, y'all. I'm not sure if it's just my bad eyes, but I did not see a number. but maybe it's just me. Well, that one looked like it worked out pretty well. So I'm going to go ahead off camera and select each one of the sizes, and then I will show y'all which ones worked for me. Okay, they're all laid out. Let me zoom in so that you can see the ones that I selected. And as you can see, I got a little bit of everything: the rhinestones, the glitter, and just the plain jelly nails. So now it's time to apply them. I'm going to use my Mia's Secret Ultra Clear Nail Polish. It's a fast drying polish that I'm going to use on my nail as a base coat. Now this should dry pretty fast, and I will at that point put on glue. Now generally, yes, these packages, they do come with the glue in them. I'm not sure if I showed you that in the early part of it, but it did come with the glue as well. But I opted to use my usual glue that I love so much. So while that polish actually dries, y'all know I love the Macart nail glue. This is my favorite because of the application. All I have to do is use it just like I would use nail polish and paint it onto my nails and then apply the nails. So this is the glue that I will be using. So after about 60 seconds or so, the nail polish should be dry. I'm just starting with my pinky fingers and working all the way up to my pointing fingers. I will do my thumbs last. I do press down the nails so to flatten them out just a little bit because my nails are flat. The bed of my nails are flat. So since I'm using the glue method, all you have to do is apply the glue. It says to the back of the artificial nail, but I normally just apply the glue to my natural nail. It says to do both, but I only do the one. Maybe that's why I lost one of mine early on. But this particular method with the glue, I assure you, those tabs really do work better. So I'm just letting you know that up front, if you plan on using these, the tabs do hold these nails on much better than the actual glue does if you're looking to really keep them on over a week. My last set of Kiss Impress nails actually stayed on over, what did I say? It was going on 2 weeks, probably 13-14 days for sure. Definitely. But I'm using nail glue, and all you do is align with the cuticle, gently press it on, and hold it down for about 5 seconds. I know I'm on overkill because I actually held it down a long time because I'm just trying to make sure that it's on there. With these being a little bit longer, usually the longer the nails are, the more difficult it is to keep them on because you're going to have a tendency to run those hands into everything that they should not run into. The nails are going to hit everything. That's my opinion. That's how I feel about long nails. But I'm holding this thing on probably 30 seconds. You think it's on by now? Okay, let's get to the next nail, honey. So I'm rotating hands back and forth. So I did my left hand pinky. Now I'm doing my right hand pinky, and that's the way I'll be doing that throughout this process. All right, I'm finished up with the pinkies, and now I'm gonna get to my ring finger, and this is where I'm gonna put that fancy schmancy nail on. Okay, this is the one with the bling on it. Yes, indeed. And we're gonna do the same on the right hand. And now I'm just going to work out, y'all, and get these nails on here. So check out the process on how simple it is and how quick this process is. Now I know I have it sped up, but it's still gonna be pretty fast. So let's get to it, and I will be back in just a moment. But check out how beautiful these nails all come together. Are you getting ready for a little holiday get together, or are you gonna be on Zoom or FaceTime and you want everybody to see how wonderful your nails are? Honey, this is the way to go. Are you expecting that diamond ring for Christmas? Honey, this is the way to go. Let's get it.
Subscribe now.
Oh, I could never let you go. I'll make it worth your while if you appear. If I change my ways, babe, once you come back to me, make no mistakes, babe, once you come back to me.
Subscribe now.
So I'm almost done here. So look at the nails, looking good. I'm just gonna wipe my nails down with this alcohol to remove any glue that may have leaked, and there they are. All I have to do is just buff those little tips off on the end, and that will be the end of the process. And how about that, beautiful babes? Got them on, got them on. I thank y'all so much for hanging out with me here on Sugar Fingers. Y'all know how I love dealing with these hands, trying to keep them looking, you know, refreshed each and every chance I get. And I'm loving the press on, the glue on, the fake nails right now. My nails, as you can see, have grown out under there. But you know, your girl gonna keep her nails too. I can do it all if I want to. I can do it all. I can put on my press-ons. I can wear my own nails, whatever I want to do. That's how I like it, okay? But anyway, I want to thank y'all so much. If you haven't subscribed, do that. I got some more giveaways on the way. Be in the loop. Listen, be in the loop on Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, I'm not sure, of the next week for Christmas in time. I have a big giveaway for someone, $100 giveaway. So if you don't have a Cash App, go ahead, get your Cash App set up. I do have a link in the description box in case you don't have one. Use my link, set it up. Let's all have some fun on the week of Christmas. Can you believe it? Somebody's gonna win big, absolutely. I look forward to it, and I know you do too. Listen, I'm getting ready to do what? I'm getting ready to sign out for now, but please do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe, and always keep those hands looking gorgeous. Bye.